My name is Christian Frank, and I'm a boat builder here at iKon Boats, and today I'm going to be showing you how to install and uninstall your Jardim display at the dash. If you want to, you can take off this dash hood. It is only 4 screws, so I'll show you how to do that. So after you uninstall the dash hood, you will reach your hand with your screwdriver in here to the back of your Jardim display, but be careful because when you stick your hand in, there's raw glass, so you don't want to get any fiberglass splinters. So you will stick your hand in here and you will find 2 screws that are on the back of your Jardim display, and you will uninstall those 2 screws. After you get the 2 screws out, this is the X bracket that holds your Jardim into place. As you can see, those are the 2 holes where the screws go in. So after you uninstall your X bracket, you'll be able to push back here on your screen very lightly, and it should be able to pop out just like that. And you want to hold on to it so you don't drop it. And before you unplug your screen, make sure that your power button is off. So what you will do is you will flip this little clip up right here and then just pull your connector out. And that is what the back of your Jardim display will look like. This connector right here will stay in. That is for your software updates. So when reinstalling your Jardim display, you will make sure that your USB is tucked back in your dash, and make sure that your Jardim connector goes into the second connection on your Jardim display. So you want to push it in until you hear that clip click, and then do a small pull test on it to make sure you got it fully connected. Then you will put the screen back into the recess, and we will do that process again. So when putting in your X bracket, you want to make sure that these prongs are laying just right on the outside of your Jardim display, so that your screws line up, and this pushes up against your glass inside the dash. That way it holds the screen in. After you've installed the Jardim back into your dash, you will put your hood back on. As you can see, there's divots in your hood. That is for your bracket right here to sit into. There's little divots coming out of your bracket as well for that to sit into. And that is how you uninstall and install your Jardim screen.